Human robots are on the brink of outperforming humans in so many tasks. And no, I'm not just talking about some future dream. These robots are being mass produced right now. And some of them could even hit the market very soon in few months. But let's rewind a bit. Why are we talking about this? Well, the problem is robots have always been stuck in the realm of fantasy for most of us. Sure, we have had industrial robots, robotic vacuum, and a few cute assistants, but none of them really matched up to the idea of true humanoid robot. You know, the kind that walks, talks, does tasks almost like a human. Things are changing fast, and I'm not exaggerating. The new AI-driven humanoid robots being developed might soon be doing things better than we can.
I can speak many languages including German, English, French, Japanese, Chinese and much more.
Now, let me tell you about one of the companies that's making a massive move in this space. The name of the company is Abot, a startup out of Shanghai. This isn't just another robotic company. They have built an entire factory dedicated to producing humanoid robots. By the end of 2024, they are aiming to ship out 300 units. Yes, you heard it right. 300 humanoid robots out in the world ready to work. The robots they are building aren't just for show. Remember Tesla's Optimus? Elon Musk has been hyping it up, and with good reasons. But the competition is heating up fast. Abot's founder, Ping Zuru, is confident they can take on Tesla and deliver better robots, more efficient, and even at a lower price. So what's so special about these robots? Abot's Warning A2 is 175 centimeters tall, weighs about 55 kgs, and is packed with advanced AI sensors. It's so precise that it can thread a needle, something even humans struggle with. Ping's goal is to not just make robots, but to make them affordable and accessible to everyone. But Abot isn't alone in this race. Let's talk about Unry Robotics. Their latest humanoid robot, the G1, is priced at just 166,000 US dollars, which is much cheaper than many other humanoid robots in this range. And it's not just for show. The thing can leap, jog, and even resist pushes. It's versatile, human-like, and ready for mass production. Now, here where it really gets exciting. These robots aren't just limited to industrial or commercial use. We're talking about potential for these machines to be in your homes. Imagine a humanoid robot handling your day-to-day tasks while you focus on things which actually matter to you. It's like having an extra set of hands, but way more efficient. And then let's not forget about Stardust Intelligence and their new Astrobot S1. This one can iron clothes, cook, stir fry, and even perform martial arts. It's not just about following commands. It can actually learn, adapt, and think on its own. This is a kind of AI that pushes the boundaries, bringing us closer to robots that are practically human-like in their thinking and actions.
Okay, it's my turn to pick someone.
Are you sure you want to keep playing?
Yes, done. Remember, you have 10 tries to guess.
Okay. Is your character a robot with a gray face?
Yes.
Is it you?
Ah, no.
Is it me?
Yes. How did you guess so quickly?
Because each time you either picked me or yourself.
I'm brand new. I don't know anyone else.
Heh, that's 759 points for me, 3 points for you.
But what's really crazy about all of this is how fast it's happening. It's no longer in the era where robots are confined to labs or limited to a repetitive task. These humanoid robots are here to learn, to adapt, and soon to outperform us in so many areas. This future is unfolding right in front of our eyes now. So what does this mean for us? Well, we are stepping into a world where robots will be more than just tools. They'll be our partners, our helpers, and maybe even our colleagues. They are becoming more than machines. they are becoming an essential part of our daily lives. And that's it for today. If you have any doubts or feedback, feel free to write them in the comment section below. For more videos on tech, you can click on one of our next videos here. Till then, that's Gaurav signing off.